Yes! Yes! Finally! Finally! We have some new tokens.
Took the action, elevate the grind. Now these bitches out here wanna understand the mind. They don't get it, man, I do not have the time. Cause it wasn't around for me once upon a time.
What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the Sky is the Limit TV channel. Siddle Nation, what is good with you guys? Token, I have not reacted to him in almost a year now. That's because he hasn't really done much, or either I've been in school and I've been able to find time to react to him. But I am here now, and today he put out a freestyle called Cough. I'm wondering if this is related to the coronavirus. Cough, because you know, if you cough, people get worried, people get scared and stuff like that. It's like, oh, whoa, do you got the coronavirus or something like that? But yeah, we are going to see what this freestyle is about. People get on me, what I think of last time I reacted to him, I said because he did like a freestyle or whatever, and he sounds a lot like Eminem when he raps, but then he came out and said, don't compare me to Marshall and stuff like that. So I was like, oh, alright, I won't do it anymore, Token. Alright, I won't compare you to Marshall Mathers. But we are going to get into this. Token cruise turned all the way up. Let's get it. And it's only 2 minutes, so it's a very short freestyle. Off the bat, we're coughing? Oh, Lord. Hey.
So I'm getting over this fucking cough, man.
Hey, brand new crib, I love to wake up top at the same time as my.
Whoa, whoa. But a beat drop came out of nowhere. Whoa. This beat sound crazy. Let's go back. Hold on. Whoa. Token, what the fuck are you doing?
Hey. Brand new crib, I love to wake up top at the same time as my breakup. That girl dread this like Jamaica, window blacker than.
This girl dread this like Jamaica already on some slight shit.
2, 3 a.m. I whip wearing that shit like makeup. I touch up my rim like.
Whoa, hold on, what?
This like Jamaica, window blacker than 2, 3 a.m. I whip wearing that shit like makeup. I touch up my rim like layup. My deal didn't come with no pay cut. Still moving independent, no pendant. My pendant, everything I hope. My only intention is attention or tension in the air like smoke. That girl.
Woo, this beat is crazy. Whoa, this beat's crazy. What the fuck? Oh my god.
Pendant, everything I hope. My only intention is attention or tension in the air like smoke. That girl keep loving.
Oh, attention like smoke. Come on, man.
Too much, I only love back whenever they don't. Ride me so quickly, my dick feel like some getaway car she stole. I get a real bar flows, and I still set the bar with those. Telling my chick I really don't trick, but I got a deck of card to hose. My patience.
Oh, a deck of card. Oh, God. Yeah, Token, yeah.
Kendall temper short, I'm Kevin Hart below. I still.
Wait, hold on. Hold on, make sure I heard what he said right.
But I got a deck of card to hose. My patience thin, I'm Kendall temper short, I'm Kevin Hart below.
Kevin Hart below. Okay, I got you.
Live life like I'm broken, bitch, I'm very far from broken. Now I'm in a whole new bracket. Now I got a whole new tactic. I used to record in the closet, in between all them jackets. Ma told me that I wouldn't be average. Proved her right, I became established. They want me to be way more active, but my life can't fit in no caption. I be in the UK.
My life can't fit in no caption, man. That's. Hey, man.
Get my money, fly home and stack it. Queen Elizabeth, top of Franklin. My pockets look pornographic. I don't got.
He's snapping. I can't even. It's like I can't say nothing. This dude is snapping right now.
Oh shit, bro.
Get my money, fly home and stack it. Queen Elizabeth, top of Franklin. My pockets look pornographic. I don't got.
Queen Elizabeth on top of Franklin. My pockets look pornographic.
Girlfriend, no more attachment. Ovary leading to overreaction. Kill a pussy, leave an open casket. Just so the broken have it. I'ma get the homies active, no distraction. Bitch got moves like Jackson, lips like Tony Braxton. Ain't a fact.
Moves like Jackson, moves like Tony Braxton.
But my whip is German, think I drove the fastest. Tires passing, I control her vision. Plus I buy her lashes, lashing out, I buy her back. In this life I imagine, this that shit you barely on. Know this shit a marathon. Money first, I put the bag above us all like it's a carry-on. If she
Oh!
know this shit a marathon. Money first, I put the bag above us all like it's a carry-on.
Put a bag of stuff up above us all like it's a carry-on bag, even though we can't go on airplanes right now. I wouldn't suggest for anyone to go on an airplane right now.
If she barely even my type, dog, I don't really care at all. I just condition her so well, she'll think this shit a hair salon. Just
What the fuck? Oh hell! Oh no, this ain't gonna work.
Oh my god! Token, stop! Token, stop! Stop it! Stop it! Stop it! Stop it! Stop it, bro. Bro. Oh my god, bro. Go back. Hold on.
my type, dog, I don't really care at all. I just condition her so well, she'll think this shit a hair salon.
I just condition her so well, she'll think that it's a hair. Bro, come on, man. You know, condition, because you condition your hair, we wash your hair. Bro, come on, man. You got, bro. If this is what you coming with 2020, I'm scared. I'm really scared.
Just met, she let me
and I feel like this is some light shit.
Hit it off the bat, I think she think I'm bare bones. I like that shit.
Whoa, hold on.
Hair salon. Just met, she let me hit it off the bat, I think she think I'm bare bones.
Okay.
I like that shit, but I can't trust you. Watch this trick, I'm there and gone. Disappear these rappers.
Ooh, hold on. Token going back to back on these, bro.
She think I'm bare bones. I like that shit, but I can't trust you. Watch this trick, I'm there and gone. Disappear.
Okay.
Probably diss me, cause I won't let them share a song. Hey, fuck engaging in the war, little bitch, let's get the marriage on. Let's go. Do the freestyle shit when the time getting free to turn the baby keem up. I'ma get the pussy when I get the meet up. I'ma get the wifey when I get the prenup. I'ma get the money when I get to re-up. Save it till I buy myself enough freedom. When I get to ease up, I'ma calm down. Never get my seat up. And my brand new girl don't even got an IG, so I just implored her. My old girl, it's too hard to go viral, I got avoided. I just got me a deal, still spinning like I can't afford a lure. But I got 3 in my fucking corner. I could give you up couple corners on.
Curfew next week. So he's dropping something next week. Is that his album or is that a song? That is gonna do. Is that a song or is that an album he's dropping? Y'all let me know. But yeah, that's gonna do it for Token Cough Freestyle. My goodness, that beat just gets you hype, and then bars he was giving you, the flow switches. Like, my God, bro, this brother here is ridiculous. He really is ridiculous. Like, it's been a long time, Token. It's been a long time since I've reacted to one of your songs, bro. Golly. This brother here is nice. But yeah, that is gonna do it for this reaction. You guys can leave any other reaction requests down below in those comments. And yeah. Anyway, guys, like this video up. Really appreciate that. Subscribe to join Citadel Nation if you are new. And I'm out. Peace.
Yeah, big 4G autos on the Jeep, I'm riding big as hell. Bad model bitch riding with me and she thick as hell. Cupid links on my neck is getting brick as hell. Shit, I ain't check my mail. Shit, I got rich as hell. Ice cold baguettes on my teeth. I got rich as hell.